Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial we are going to show you how you can create an Google Ads account, and in our previous video we have already shown you what is the importance of Google Ads for digital who are a digital marketer, also a business owner. We gave you introduction video as well as we have discussed about the types of Google Ads, also about the Google Ads formats. Sorry for any interruption happen because network is not working well here, and also forgive me if I do any mistake in my pronunciations. Or first of all, we have to go to Google Ads account, Google Ads website. Now type here Google Ads, and now it will take us to this interface. Now click here, you will see the Google Ads website link. Here you click it, and then it will take us to Google Ads website. Now as you enter, as you log in there, it will show you two options: sign in and start now. We don't have an account right now, so let's just click start now. Okay, let's what it shows in front of us. Okay, first of all I have to tell you, you need to have an Google account to create an Google Ads account. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you sign in, click as I show you here, start now to initiate the setup process. Here obviously here my country is Bangladesh, that's why it's showing Bangladesh. If you are from any other country, you just select it here, then go below. Here it is showing the payment system, so we don't want to create payment system here. So click there. I will delete this account, remove it. I will remove it account. I want to create an account without adding any payment system, right? Now again click on sign in, new Google Ads account. Obviously if you have any business information on credit card you want to uh, if you like, if you right now want to run an ads, you have to, and you have your credit card, so you can add your business information there and start running your ad and add money in Google Ads account. And now here is the interface. Now it this video is for those who don't want to create any campaign right now, who want to open a Google Ads account without creating a campaign, without giving payment system. Now here is written there is skip campaign creation. Click there, and here you will see it worked. It already worked. Now you can see billing country Bangladesh. My country is Bangladesh. If you are from any other parts of the world, you can select your country here. Just click here and there will be drop down. You can select any country. My currency, obviously there is Bangladesh BDT is not there. That's why I have to select US dollar. You have to select your currency if your currency is there. Obviously Indian currency INR is there, I think. Yes. Okay, let's just short it here. Now click continue. Obviously I think the interface will come, Google account will. Okay, here is still they are saying to, okay, still they are showing to add payment system here. I don't want to add payment system. If you give submit, they will show error message. Now again, let's again delete this account, remove it, sign in again. Now again click on new Google Ads account. Let's see what it does. Create your first campaign. Obviously I don't want to create my first campaign because I don't want to add my payment system here. So sign in again, new Google Ads account. Just follow the steps I am doing here. Create, I don't want to. So again what I have to do, I have to delete this account from here, remove it, sign in, create new Google Ads account. delete again, delete, remove it, sign in. Oh man, I don't know how many times they will show this account. I want to create an account without adding payment information, as I don't, as many you might have don't have any credit card right now with you. So skip campaign creation again, billing information, one personalized campaign guidance, no, yes. I mean, they are showing get tips, promo offer, testing and feedback opportunities, new feature. Mane, I mean, if you just click it yes here, you will get the new feature that will come in your future. You will get it through your email, and I click no here because one personalized campaign guidance from a Google as expert. I'm expert. I don't want to get any information for expert through phone. Now submit. Yeah. Now we have successfully created our Google Ads account. See how many attempts we have done after that. Now finally we are successfully created an Google Ads account. Now explore your account. Click there. Now see your Google Ads account is here. Wait a bit. Now you can see the new campaign. Now here you can click, and if you want to create a new campaign, you can create new campaign. See how we can open an Google Ad account without adding any payment method. In this way, the way I have shown you, if you follow this way, you can create an Google Ad account without adding any payment system. So I hope it helped. This video will help you to create a Google Ad account without adding payment system. I hope you got the information that you are looking for, and thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to get more content, more engaging video, and obviously follow the playlist to get all the video I will upload in playlist regarding Google Ads. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow my channel, follow all the videos. Thank you very much.